Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to open YouTube in Chrome Android. We start by opening Chrome. Next, click on the top Google Applications menu. Here, we will hold down the YouTube icon and choose to open in New tab. After that, if we go to the upper tab manager, we will check how YouTube has been opened in a tab and we can use it from there. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.